Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be decorating my kitchen and my dining room for 4th of July, but I thought I would kind of mix it up a little bit. I'm going to make a breakfast pizza right now, and I thought that it might be a good idea to make a breakfast pizza and chit chat with you guys a little bit about what's going on and other stuff like that. So if you guys do not want to chit chat and you guys want to go straight to decorating, I'll put a timestamp right here. And if you guys want to chit chat, then keep on watching. So we're going to make a breakfast pizza today, and I'm also going to tell you kind of what's been going on. And I have to be honest, I am very inconsistent. If you watch my videos, I'll post a whole bunch, then I won't. Then I will, and then I won't. And it just seems like I am just such a busy person, and I don't even have an actual job outside of the home except for taking care of the kids and being a homemaker. But if you guys have ever been a homemaker, then you know it is a job in itself taking care of kids and a husband. I have a dog. We have 6 hens that we actually ended up getting 8, but 2 of them are roosters. So we have 6 hens. We have 9 cats and 4 goldfish. So my plate's really full, and I also have 3 boys I take care of and my husband. And we recently got 2 more kittens. I know, glutton for punishment. Let's actually start the pizza as I'm talking, because I can talk for days. All right, I'm going to get back to the kittens in just a second, but first let me tell you what I'm doing, just in case you want to do this too. I preheated my oven to 350. I have these, this oven fried bread. It's stone baked. They are so delicious, especially if you are making pizza with them, what they're intended for. But I'm going to try my hand at making breakfast pizza. I don't know if the convenience store QT is like, you know, nationwide, I don't know. But basically it's Circle K, 7-Eleven, stuff like that. But they have delicious pizza, breakfast pizza. So we had some the other day, and I was like, you know, I'm going to try making this. So I also have this gravy, sausage gravy, sorry. I'm going to put this on here. And I have sausage, but what I'm going to do, instead of just frying them like this, I'm going to put them all together to make it like a crumble, if you will. And then I have cheese and an onion and some eggs. So the first thing I'm going to do is, I have my oven preheated at 350. I'm going to get the eggs and the sausage basically at the same time. So I will go ahead and just turn both of these on. Turn both of these on to low. I hope it's good. Now, just while I'm getting this ready to go, basically my uncle said that my brother found a kitten out in his yard, and it's too small to survive on his own. Does my mom want it? And my mom's like, I can't. Her cat hates other cats, so it's a no-go for her. And he's like, well, it's gonna die because the mother abandoned it, and it's only 3 weeks old. And of course, we are cat lovers here. So I went, oh, my goodness. So I went over there to pick it up, and while I got it, it was so cute. On the way out, I heard another baby kitten, and I went up to it and hoping to find the mother with the other kittens so we can put it together, because it was clear across on the other side of the yard, and he has a pretty big yard. But it was a kitten all alone, tangled up into like vines. So I went on ahead and took that one. That one, and I know is a girl because it's a calico. Very, very rarely can a calico be a male. It's possible, but very, very rare. Anyways, so basically I didn't want, you know, a little kitten dying. That's why I rescue them. Usually I find them sick, and after taking to the vet, I invested a couple $100 in a few weeks of sleepless nights and medicine, so I don't want to give them up. That's how I got the last 4. Some of them also, I think I only have 2 that I actually went and bought. Well, not bought, adopted. But the rest were all rescues. So that catches you up with the little kittens, and that's why I didn't post yesterday, because I was busy getting kittens and also helping my mom. Now, helping my mom, a little over a month ago, she had a heart attack, and she had to do double bypass surgery. So she was in the hospital for 10 days, and after she was done with the hospital, she came to my home to basically recuperate for about 3 weeks. Almost 3 weeks, almost. Then she went back home. But while she was here, you know, I basically made her food, and, you know, I didn't want her to, you can't really do much after you have double bypass. She's not allowed to lift over 5 pounds. She's not allowed to go anywhere. So a lot of my time was just spending it with her and making sure she was fed and got her medicine and all that. Now, she did go home about a week ago. So she needed to go to the store, and now she can go out and walk around a little bit, but she can't be long. So that's what I was doing the other day, was taking her to the store and all that other good stuff. And if she has to, you know, go get some stuff or whatever she needs to get. So that's what I was doing, and that's why I didn't post yesterday. I apologize. I was with her again and rescuing some kittens, which I will show you guys. They're adorable. I'm going to set that aside. I did say I was going to break these up, and I forgot to break them up. That's what happens when I start talking. I forget. So let's see if I can. I don't think I can break them up. I think it's too late. But you know what? I'll just cut them in little pieces when I'm all done. But that's okay. It's going to taste the same anyways. So I will wait for that to be done. These crusts, you should really try them. They're amazing. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put egg, sausage, cheese, that sausage gravy, and a little bit of onion on there. I'm only going to do the onion on half because one of my kids hates onion. And if he sees it, he'll pick it all out. Let's flip these over. Also, in between all that, right before school was out, some kid pushed a random kid. They were playing around, but they ended up pushing that kid, and that kid's head hit my youngest in the nose, where I had to take him to the hospital because we thought it was broken. It was fractured, but there's nothing really that they could do for it. So that happened. And then like a few days after that, I had some cases of soda, and one of them fell right on my toe, and I thought it was broken, but it was fractured, so there was really nothing they could do for that either. So it's just been kind of busy. Really busy, actually. But things have kind of slowed down. Thank God. Thank God. And you know what? Even when I thought, okay, my toe's broken, I thought, at least be grateful, because at least I have a toe to get broken. I know it kind of sounds silly, but if you are negative about everything, then everything is just going to be piling up and be even more negative. So, you know, I don't know if that makes any sense, but it does to me. So as you can see, I already started a little bit of these decorations in here. They're just bowls, and then a couple of little things from Hobby Lobby. I really thought I had a ton of decor, and then when I got like the decorating, I'm like, I don't really have that much, it seems like, but I don't know. These are super nice, thick, and they make delicious pizza, regular pizza. While that sausage is cooking, I'm going to cut up this little bit of onion. I'm also going to open up one of these sausage gravy. I don't know how many I'll need. I have 2. I have more, but I brought out 2 just in case, because I don't want a super dry pizza, but I don't want it to be so wet where, you know, it takes an hour to cook, and then the thing's all soggy, the bread. It's like, I'm just busy. That's all there is to it. Alright, the sausage is almost done, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure you guys can see, first of all. You guys can. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this gravy as like you would a sauce. Now it does come with sausage in it. That's why I chose to add like fresh sausage. Just because I thought that would be, you know, better. We'll see if one is enough. If not, I'll open the other. Although it looks like one will be enough. And then because this is only one pizza, if I have to, I can make another one if the kids are still hungry. We did go help out my mom again today, although this time, where we live, we have like this thing called neighborhood cleanup. I don't know if it's everywhere else, but twice a year you can put basically not household garbage, but you can put like, I think you can put up a couple of tires outside, and you can also do like any type of furniture, stuff like that. We did ours. We only had a few things. Oh, and you also do like tree branches and stuff, you know, like trimmings and stuff like that. So we did a little bit of trimming on ours, and then we did patio chairs that just were not, they were all broken. So we did that. But when we went to my mom's today, she had an old dresser that she didn't want, a few clippings from a tree, and a hot water tank that the boys did. That was so heavy. I'm just gonna put all this on there. Okay, and the last thing, I'm just gonna put a little bit of cheese on here, pop it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Pop this in. Sounds delicious. Okay.
Yeah.
Boys, grab a plate.
Alright.
Sounds delicious. Looks delicious. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'll tell you if it is delicious.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. There you go.
Well,
Love you too. And then, Joey, give me yours. And then, a piece for Joey. I got yours without onion.
oh, good.
So,
I don't like onion.
I know you don't.
Which is good.
Which is sad, because the onion is so good. And then here's your piece. You and Logan, thank God for your food.
So you want how much?
Yep, it's ready. You ready here?
Do it. Delicious.
It does look delicious. Look. Thank you, baby. And here you go.
Looks like a cake.
Oh, looks delicious. Tell me how it is.
All right.
And then thank God for your food.
Okay.
All right. Everybody said it was delicious. I just tasted it. It is delicious. I added a little bit more salt and pepper, but highly recommend. Wow. This would be good for either breakfast or for lunch or dinner, honestly, because it was delicious. But let's get to decorating.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That one's brand new. Still it's got nothing on you tonight. I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We could get back to this, catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night. For all I can, we can spend the firewood till it's end. Nobody's gonna force the morning. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. I know the way that you think about me, but I don't wanna know the truth. I hear the things that they say about me, but I don't wanna know the truth. Don't you ever wanna run away? Don't you ever wanna walk away? Don't you ever wanna leave this place? 'Cause I need you when the day's gone. And I would change for you. I would break these walls too. And I would change just for you. And I would change for you. And I would break these walls too. I would change just for you. I can't get you out of my mind. I can't get you out of my mind. I think right now you are sick of talking, and that the fire seemed to fade. And I know we're hanging on to something that so easily could break. Don't you ever wanna run away? Don't you ever wanna walk away? Don't you ever wanna leave this place? 'Cause I need you when the day's gone. And I would change for you. I would break these walls too. And I would change just for you. And I would change for you. And I would break these walls too. I would change just for you. I can't get you out of my mind. 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 I think right now you are sick of talking, and I know we're hanging on to something. Can't get you out of my mind. I think right now you are sick of talking. Can't get you out of my mind. And I know we're hanging on to something. I can't get you out of my mind.